AI is now catching truck drivers yawning, and it's preventing real accidents. A Texas-based moving company, 3 Men Movers, uses AI-powered cameras to detect when drivers are distracted, texting, eating, or even yawning behind the wheel. The system alerts both the driver and the supervisor in real time. In just 3 months, they reduced accidents by 4.5% and prevented 80% of distractions. They also use AI to plan safer, smarter routes, avoiding high crime zones, traffic, and crash-prone areas. If a moving company can use AI to save lives and cut costs, imagine what it can do for your business. Message us now for a free consultation.